In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the radio buttons in Adobe Acrobat. Whether you're creating a form for a survey, application, or any document that requires user selections, radio buttons are a great way to go. Let me walk you through this process step by step. First and foremost, start by opening your PDF document in Adobe Acrobat. If you don't have it open yet, go ahead and launch Adobe Acrobat and load your desired PDF file. Then locate the All Tools tab on the right hand panel. You should see it right there when you open the software. Once you've got it, click on Prepare a Form. This tool is specifically designed for creating interactive forms that include various elements like checkboxes, text fields, and of course radio buttons. After clicking Prepare a Form, you'll want to select the Create Form option. A dialog box will appear and it's perfectly fine, just click OK to continue. This will activate the form preparing mode within Adobe Acrobat, setting you up to insert different form elements including radio buttons. Next, find the radio button icon in the toolbar. It's usually represented by a small circle, much like you would expect on an actual form. Once you've found it, click on it. Now, move your cursor to the spot on your PDF where you want the radio button to be placed, and then click and drag the cursor to create the button at the desired size. This action places a selectable radio button onto your document. After you've positioned your radio button, switch your cursor back to normal by selecting the Select Text tool. This allows you to toggle between adjusting the form elements and interacting with your document like normal. Double click or right click on the radio button you just placed. Doing so will open a properties window where you can fine tune settings specific to the button, such as its style and appearance. Now, if you have multiple radio buttons and want them to function as a group, you can highlight them, right click and choose properties again. This gives you access to grouping options. In the General tab of the Properties window, enter a name for the group of radio buttons. A cohesive group name helps ensure that only one button in that group can be selected at a time. Shift over to the Options tab next, where you can enter choices for these radio buttons. Each selection should have its own distinct value that represents a unique option for the user. Look for the checkbox labelled Buttons with the same name and choice are selected in unison, and make sure to check it. This ensures that, if desired, all buttons with the same name will behave identically across the document. Once everything looks good, simply close the radio button properties window. Don't forget to preview your work by clicking on Preview at the bottom left of the screen. This step allows you to test the functionality and appearance of your radio buttons. Finally, when you're confident everything is working as intended, click on Exit Preview and make sure to save your progress. Congratulations, your document now has fully functional radio buttons.